My mom had me when she was 17 years old. She was a high school student in Albuquerque, New Mexico. You could ask her, but I'm pretty sure that wasn't cool in 1964 to be a pregnant mom in high school in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And in fact, went to bat for her, and because the high school wanted to kick her out. Truth is, everything comes with overhead. That's reality. Every job comes with pieces you don't like. And we need to say, that's just how, that's part of it. And not resent those pieces, or try not to. You can choose a life of ease and comfort, or you can choose a life of service and adventure.
You have to say, yeah, I am going to become an expert, and I'm going to keep my beginner's mind.
You can't skip steps. You have to put one foot in front of the other. Things take time. There are no shortcuts.
Successes compensate for dozens and dozens of things that didn't work.
We all have adversity in our lives. And by the way, that's good, because it's what teaches us how to get back up. You fall down, you get back up. It always happens. And you have to always be leaning into the future. If you're leaning away from the future is going to win every time. Never, ever, ever. Tomorrow, in a very real sense, your life, the life you author from scratch on your own, begins. How will you use your gifts? What choices will you make? Will you play it safe? Or will you be a little bit swashbuckling? In the end, we are our choices.